My name is Thomas Ratley, and the occupation in which I researched is that of a mechanical engineer. Education. Mechanical engineers are required to obtain the minimum of a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or mechanical engineering technology. U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics. According to TAN, mechanical engineers must be certified by passing the Practice of Engineering exam, otherwise known as the PE exam. There are 5 main skills needed to be a mechanical engineer: creativity, listening, math, mechanical, and problem-solving skills. Creativity is needed to design products and also design the robots and machines which create these products. Listening skills are needed to confer with others and listen to their ideas instead of just listening to a mechanical engineer's own ideas. Math skills are needed to design and also construct these products. Physics is a really important course for mechanical engineers because it encompasses math and science. Mechanical skills, mechanical engineers must know how to use tools and bring their designs to life. Problem-solving skills, there are a lot of problems given to mechanical engineers by coworkers, bosses, customers, anyone like that. There's a lot of problems that they're going to have to figure out because it's such an advanced job. So, data sources: NESCO, U.S. Department of Labor, and Bureau of Labor Statistics. There are 3 main duties that a mechanical engineer must perform while on the job. First is design industrial processing systems. Industrial processing systems are things such as conveyor belts. It is a mechanical engineer's job to design a conveyor belt which helps a product be made very efficiently and also very quickly. U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics. Design industrial equipment is the second duty that a mechanical engineer must possess. So, industrial equipment is anything from a robot which makes a product or a machine which helps makes a product, and it is a mechanical engineer's job to design these machines and bring these machines to life. The third duty that a mechanical engineer must perform is confer with coworkers to resolve problems. So as I said earlier, mechanical engineers need to know how to listen to others and bring others' ideas into problem solving instead of only listening to their own ideas and using that to solve problems. U.S. Department of Labor, Employment and Training Administration. As you can see, I provided a table showing the top 10%, the median, and the bottom 10% of the annual wage in mechanical engineering. So the bottom 10% makes $56,270 a year, the median making $87,370 a year, and the top 10% making $136,550 a year. Data sources: Michigan Technological University, U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics. In the years 2018 to 2028, the employment projection for mechanical engineers is down 1% compared to engineers as a whole and total all occupations in this bar graph. Although it is down 1%, 4% is still a good growth rate for mechanical engineers and is looking up for the occupation. So source: the U.S. Department of Labor, Bureau of Labor Statistics in this bar graph. There are 2 major factors which impact the market of mechanical engineering. The first being working in many different industries. According to the Institution of Mechanical Engineers, mechanical engineers have a lot of options when it comes to industries they can work in. They can work in anything from the aerospace industry to the automotive industry to railway, anything like that. So having all those options is really good for the occupation of mechanical engineers. Automotive innovations. Electric cars call for design from mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers don't only work on the electric cars, but they are working on the machines which make these electric cars and help build them. Electric cars are really on a rise in demand in the economy right now, So, according to Davis, this is one of the main market factors for mechanical engineers. Again, the occupation in which I researched was that of a mechanical engineer, and I would recommend being a mechanical engineer to anyone just because of the many different industries you can work in, and it's a very well-paying job.